Otudo Pranayama. Pranayama, also spelled pranayama, in Indian practice concerned with controlling your breath. Research has shown that practicing pranayama may be able to relieve symptoms of asthma. 1. It may be beneficial in treating stress-related disorder, such as anxiety and depression. 2. There are a total of 6 types of pranayama practice, all of which are detailed on Bhastrika Pranayama, below breath. Breathe in deeply through your nostril. First, felt diaphragm move down, allowing the lung to expand and forcing the abdomen out. Then feel your chest expand with your collarbone rising last. Breathe out quickly through your nostril. Feel your collarbone dropping, chest deflating, and abdomen shrinking at lung collapse. The process of exhaling should be much faster than the process of inhaling, almost like a rapid deflation. Repeat the process. When correctly done, your chest will expand when you breathe in and deflate when you breathe out. Continue doing it for 5 minutes. With practice, speed up your breathing. Beginner should always start slowly to avoid hyperventilating, but eventually it will be possible to turn into a rapid breathing technique. Kapalbhati Pranayama, shining forehead breath. Inhale through your nostril normally until your lungs are full. Keep your inhalation slow but unforced. First, felt diaphragm move down, allowing the lung to expand and forcing the abdomen out. Then feel your chest expand with your collarbone rising last. Exhale through both nostrils forcefully. The placed emphasis of the breath on exhale ratetant, natural, inhale. Assist your exhalation by pulling in your stomach muscle to expeller. Exhaling should take much less time than it took to inhale. Forced exhalation meant that contraction of your stomach muscle push the air out of your body. It does not mean that exhalation should be comfortable for you in any way. Repeat breath for 15 minutes. You may take a minute rest after every 5 minutes. Anulom Vilom Pranayama, alternate nostril breath. Close your eye. Focus your attention on your breathing. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Simply press the thumb against your nostril to block it. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Fill your lung with air. First, felt diaphragm move down, allowing the lung to expand and forcing the abdomen out. Then feel your chest expand with your collarbone rising last. Remove your thumb from your right nostril. Keep your right hand by your nose and your lung full of air. Use your ring and middle finger to close your left nostril. Most people find it easy to continue using the same to block the nostril, but you're welcome to switch on depending on which nostril you're blocking. You can also switch if your arm get red. Exhale slowly and completely with the right nostril. Feel the collarbone dropping, chest deflating, and abdomen shrinking at lung collapse. When you've finished exhaling, keep your left nostril closed. Inhale through the right nostril. Fill your lung. Close the right nostril and open the left. Breathe out slowly through the left nostril. The process is on a round of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Continue for 15 minutes. You may take a minute rest after every 5 minutes of exercise. Tip. It's preferable to practice pranayama in the morning. If you prefer to do pranayama in the evening, do it on an empty stomach, keep a several gap between your meal and pranayama. Always do what is most comfortable for you. If any of those exercises make you feel lightheaded or uncomfortable, stop or slow down immediately. Take a break often as necessary. If you have a medical condition, consult with your doctor before doing pranayama. For example, if you have high blood pressure, heart disease, labored breathing, a hernia, or an IoT condition that could be exacerbated by especially fast, deep, or intense breathing, you may have to modify or skip some of the following exercises. Dans ce qui in your gut. Une less water is noted, I importanta you relax your stomach muscle when doing yoga breathing exercise, when they roll tightly a corset, you can't take oxygen a deploy into your lung. Make sur your nose is stuffy. Nostril breathing is crucial in yoga, so if you avoid cold, you won't be able to complete the exercise. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. You can sit in the traditional lotus position or simply make yourself comfortable in a chair. For additional tip, read to Silica Zen Master. Warning. People with abdominal wound, surgical operation, hernia, peritonite, appendicity, a prolapsed rectum or uterus, or hiatus hernia, avela o omen WHO have recently delivered, should completely avoid Kapalbhati pranayama, aka shining forehead breath. Pranayam omen oranion with a fevesh should consul a doctor before doing pranayama. Children above 5 years should do bastrika pranayam for only 2 minutes en Kapalbhati en annulum vilum pranayam et for 5 minutes.